Imagine studying at a prestigious UK university without paying a penny in tuition fees. Sounds impossible? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to make this dream a reality through University of Bradford Scholarships. Welcome back to Career Chronicles UK. In this comprehensive guide, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about Bradford University scholarships. Whether you're an international student, a local UK resident, or an educator helping students achieve their dreams, this video is your complete roadmap to success. Part 1. Understanding Bradford Scholarships. Let's start with the most exciting news. Bradford University offers various fully funded scholarships for 2025-26. The university has recently increased its scholarship budget by 20%, creating more opportunities than ever before. These scholarships include comprehensive coverage of full tuition fees, monthly living allowance, travel allowance, and research support. Part 2. Types of scholarships and deadlines. The University of Bradford offers several outstanding scholarship opportunities. First, the Great Scholarships, worth £10,000 towards tuition fees, are available for students from Thailand and Vietnam, with applications closing on April 30, 2025. The Bradford Futures Scholarship opens on October 1, 2025, with a deadline of October 31, 2025, offering £1,500 per year to successful candidates. The prestigious Rani Scholarship, with a deadline of April 30, 2025, provides international students with a 50% tuition fee discount, while home students receive £6,930 per year, increasing by 5% annually. 4 scholarships are available under this program. For academic high achievers, the UK Academic Excellence Scholarships are available until May 31, 2025. The Bradford Global Excellence Scholarship covers full tuition fees and offers a £5,000 living allowance. For 2024, they've introduced new subject areas including artificial intelligence and sustainable development. The Vice-Chancellor's Award remains a merit-based scholarship covering up to 50% of tuition fees, with special consideration for students from developing countries. Don't forget the Bradford Alumni Discount, offering a 20% reduction in tuition fees for students whose family members are Bradford alumni. Part 3. Application Strategy. Now, here's where most people go wrong. They focus solely on academic achievements. But Bradford Scholarship Committee looks for more. Here's your winning strategy. Start early, begin your application at least 6 months before the deadline. The early bird really does catch the worm here. Perfect your personal statement, make it compelling by connecting your goals with Bradford's values of technology, innovation, and social impact. Gather strong references, choose referees who can speak specifically about your achievements and potential. Part 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Let me share some insider tips to avoid common pitfalls. Missing documentation. Double-check every required document. One missing piece can disqualify your application. Generic applications. Tailor your application to Bradford specifically. Show you've researched the university and your chosen program. Poor financial planning. Present a clear financial plan showing how you'll manage additional expenses. Part 5. Success stories. Let me share some inspiring success stories from recent Bradford Scholarship recipients. Just this past December, 2 remarkable students, Anam and Aksa, received the prestigious Rani Scholarship. Anam is currently excelling in BSc Computer Science, while Aksa is pursuing her passion in BEng Mechanical Engineering. In Anam's own words, "This scholarship has been life-changing. It allows me to focus on my studies without constant worry about fees." Another inspiring story comes from Atora Avara, a Nigerian graduate from the University of Benin, who secured the competitive Chevening Scholarship to study International Development Management at Bradford. His journey from Nigeria to Bradford showcases how these scholarships can transform lives and create global opportunities. Now it's your turn to take action. With deadlines ranging from April to October 2025, there's no time to waste. Part 6. Application Process and Requirements. Now, let's dive into one of the most crucial aspects: the actual application process, and here's something that might surprise you. Most Bradford University scholarships don't require a separate application form. Yes, you heard that right. Many scholarships, including the International Academic Excellence Fee Scholarships, Alumni Discount Scheme, Country-Specific Scholarships, the Global Scholar Award and UK Academic Excellence Scholarships are automatically assessed. This means less paperwork and hassle for you. However, there's a specific process you need to follow. First and foremost, you must secure admission to your chosen program at Bradford University. This is your golden ticket to scholarship consideration. Once you receive your offer letter, you'll gain access to the university's online scholarship portal through your student account. The best part? The entire application process is completely free of charge. Let me walk you through the essential requirements you'll need to prepare. You'll need a compelling personal statement. This is your chance to shine and stand out from other applicants. Make sure to have your academic transcripts ready and up to date. If you're an international student, you'll need proof of English language proficiency. Some scholarships might require reference letters, so start thinking about who could best support your application. For need-based scholarships, financial documentation will be necessary. Here's a crucial tip that many applicants miss. You can only receive one scholarship or discount from Bradford University. This means you need to be strategic about which scholarship you're aiming for. Also, remember that if you're receiving external funding, like a Chevening Scholarship, you won't be eligible for additional university scholarships. If you're feeling overwhelmed or need more information, don't worry. The university's admissions team is incredibly helpful. You can reach them via email or calling them. For the most up-to-date information, always check the official scholarship page. You can find all the contact details in the video description below. Let me break down the application process into simple steps. Start by applying to your chosen program and securing that offer letter. Then, check if you're eligible for any automatic scholarships. If you need to apply for specific scholarships, you'll do this through your student portal. The key is to stay organized and meet all deadlines and document requirements. Don't let these life-changing opportunities slip away. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more scholarship opportunities. And if you found this helpful, share it with someone who's dreaming of studying in the UK. Thanks for watching Career Chronicles UK. See you in the next video.